Hey, it's the guys from Coast Caters here, and we're going to show you how to make cocktail sauce in this video. Cocktail sauce is a traditional condiment for just about any kind of seafood, especially fried seafood or boiled seafood, like you'd have in a shrimp boil or a seafood boil. And basically we just need 2 ingredients, and that's going to be 2 cups of ketchup and 4 ounces of prepared hot horseradish sauce. You want to make sure it's prepared and not creamy horseradish sauce. It will definitely change the taste of the cocktail sauce if you use the creamy. So you want to use the prepared horseradish sauce. You can also throw in a little bit of Texas Pete hot sauce or Tabasco, whichever you want to use for a little more kick. But you get that kick also from the extra hot horseradish sauce. So basically, to make the cocktail sauce, it's pretty simple. We have the ketchup, and we're going to go ahead and put the ketchup into the bowl and add that in there. And next, we're going to add our prepared horseradish and dump that on in there. Put that in there. Put that off. Put that away. So now you see we have the horseradish and the ketchup together. And we're going to take a spoon, obviously, and mix it together. Make sure you mix it really well. Get that good smell from the horseradish in there. And get it nice and blended. And this is going to be with 2 cups of ketchup and 4 ounces of horseradish. You're going to see here you've got probably enough cocktail sauce for about 10 people or so. And you'll see that it's well blended here. And that's pretty much how you make cocktail sauce. Really simple, really easy. That's the base of the cocktail sauce. And for most people, that's all they're really going to want, because you get the heat and the kick from the horseradish sauce. And the other ketchup is the base. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Like I said, you can add a little kick if you want to throw some hot sauce in there, a couple dashes, or you might want to add a little bit of lemon juice if you want. If you want a little less kick from the horseradish, obviously you can add less horseradish. If you want a little more, you can add some more horseradish, but basically that's it. And hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it really simple and to use cocktail sauce with your next seafood meal. Thank you. And have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.